Hi everyone, this is Canon Pixma MG3650S, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set it up on any smartphone. Let's get into it right now. First, install Canon Print application on your smartphone. It's available both for Android and iOS devices, so get this app and let's open it. Agree to the license agreement. And these checkboxes are optional, and you can check all or do not check anything, up to you. I prefer check these two. You can read about this and read details over here. Hit OK. You need to allow precise location and nearby devices, so OK. Allow everything while using the app. Allow. And also you can receive notifications, or actually this is not necessary. Next, you need to put your printer into Wi-Fi pairing mode. To do this, press the Wi-Fi button and hold it for 3 seconds until you see blinking power indicator. Then release the Wi-Fi button, press the color copy button and Wi-Fi button one more time. Now the Wi-Fi indicator is blinking and the printer is ready. Next, in Canon Print application, stay on home screen and hit search. In this window, answer no because your printer is not on this list, so hit no. And when your printer is detected on the next screen, tap to connect to the printer's setup network. So tap on the printer's network. So the printer will be connected to this Wi-Fi network. If this is not your Wi-Fi network, if it occasionally found the neighbor's network, for example, hit no and you'll be suggested to select another network from the list. If it's your Wi-Fi network, hit yes and enter your current Wi-Fi password. Then hit this eye icon, check the password and press OK. It says this may take more than 150 seconds, but usually it's faster. I don't want to save this password so far. Now wait for your printer to appear on this screen. It may take for about 1 minute or less. So once appeared, just hit on the printer's model. And now you can print a test photo from your gallery, but let's skip this step and proceed to the application. An important notice: if you want to connect the next smartphone to this printer, you don't have to do the setup process from scratch like on the first smartphone. Just make sure another smartphone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network. And in the application, in Canon Print application, hit Add Switch at the bottom over here and Register Printer. And wait for the printer to appear here. Just tap on that. And after about 10 seconds, you're all set. You can ignore notifications, and that's it, guys. If you have some problems setting up your printer, if the printer cannot be found, there are two solutions. The first one is hard reset your printer, and the second one is restart your smartphone and reinstall Canon Print application, and everything should gonna be alright. Either way, now the printer is connected not just to your smartphones, but to the entire Wi-Fi network, and any device in this network can send printing and scanning task to your printer. For example, let's print a document from this application. So document print, select documents, choose a document you wish to print. It creates a printing preview, then hit next and select which pages of this document do you want to print. For example, just page 1 and 2, and OK. Now you can change printing settings. How many copies do you want to make? What is your paper size? A4 in my case. Do you want to fit the document to the page size, or keep the original size? So select off if you want to fit to the page. Media type, plain paper, nothing to change. Color modes or grayscale, I wish color, and two-sided printing. So simplex is one-sided printing, long edge is for booklets, and short edges is for printing on two sides of A4 paper or letter paper, like this. So now let's go back and print. That's it. Now let's move ahead and let's scan something as well. To scan your document correctly, you need to put the side you wish to scan facing down, like this, and make sure that top left corner of your document is aligned with this arrow on the top left corner of the scanning surface, like this. So, and make sure that edges of your document fit snugly to the edges of the scanning surface, and close the lid. Next, in Canon Print application, hit Scan and change your settings. Select output format. For example, if you need to create multi-page file, select PDF. If you want to scan photos, I recommend you to select JPEG. Like this. Then select original type, this is document or photo, then a color mode or grayscale mode, and your original size. Then go back and hit scan. If you want to add more pages to your document, place the next page on the scanner glass, and only after this hit scan one more time. I'm not replacing the page, I'm just showing you how it works. Once you're done scanning, just hit exit and your file is saved in default folder. You can change this folder in the settings of the application. Hit OK, and now you can share this file using one of your applications. And once you're done, just go back and it takes you back to the scanning menu. Go back one more time and you are on the home screen. Also, this application has smartphone copy feature, but I don't want to show you this because this feature implemented very poorly. Actually, scan feature is also not good here, but if you go to Play Store or App Store, most part of scanning applications are paid, so do your own research and find better application than this. Smartphone copy is really bad. Instead, I recommend you Microsoft Lens. It's much better and it's absolutely free, and you can control copy features of your printer as well. So just like when scanning, place your document on the scanning glass and select black or color copy. That's pretty it. If you want to manage your printer from the application, just tap on its image and you are in the settings menu. And actually that's pretty it for today. If this video was helpful, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button to support us. Any questions, comment below, and see you in next videos. Be awesome. Bye guys.